Hello everyone, this is James. Welcome back to my stock channel. This video real quick going to show you how to get out of a share properly. I'm sure that most of you like to do the limit order. For instance, if you wanted to get out of this one at 29.36, maybe you're happy, maybe you're satisfied. You want to get out at 29.50, let's just say. So you go ahead and set a limit order for 29.50. And if it hits that mark, it flies out of your account and you are a winner. Let me show you another way to get out of this stock that will make you more of a winner. Now at 29.36, you already know that you're going to get out of this thing at 29.50. This is your predetermined plan. That's why you set the sell limit order. So that's what you're trying to do literally already. Now what I want you to do is take a look right now before you put that sell limit in. And I want you to instead take a look at the covered call position for $29.50 so that you can sell a covered call. Today is Friday. Expiration is in 2 hours. In 2 hours, if this thing hits $29.50, if you sell a call option for right now, you can sell it for 15 cents. As it creeps closer to 29.50, if it ever is going to get there, that call option is going to be worth 20 cents, 25 cents. The closer it gets to here, it's creeping up. The closer it gets to 29.50, the higher that will go. So if you get it for 15 cents, immediately you collect the $15, like right now. So not only would you get your 29.50 when you get out, but you get $15. So you're grabbing an extra 15 cents per share. Now, as it gets closer, that 15 cents will turn into 16 cents, will turn into 17 cents. So you could actually raise your demand on your call option that you're selling. You want to click options and then choose the one that's at your strike price, which happens to be $29.50. It's sell to open is how you sell a call option. Everybody's account should be approved for call options. You'll find a number in the box. It may say 10, it may 15, say 15 cents. But click on that number and then you'll see and then choose sell to open and you'll see the correct offering. You'll notice it's a positive amount of a cash that's going to be displayed on the screen for the transaction. That's when you know you're receiving money and not giving money to your broker. So right now you can sell this 29.50 option, call option. You can sell it for 15 cents. It just puckered up a little bit now here, so it might be worth 16 cents. But if you want to get out an extra 15 for sure, you can go ahead and execute that trade. Pocket 15 cents. You're out at 29.50. If it doesn't hit 29.50 today, you will keep that $15, and then you can put in another one next week at a higher price. So you might not get out today if it doesn't hit that mark, but you know what? You weren't going to get out anyhow, unless it just hit it for a moment and then faded. So it depends on if you're diehard of getting rid of it now, you just get rid of it at 29.34. If you're only going to get out of it at a win, like 29.50, let's just say, go ahead and do a call option to get out of it. Get out of it that way, grab your extra 15 cents. The stock needs to hit 29.50 by the day's close, and somebody else will own it for 29.50. You'll get your $15. And if you don't hit it, well, then you can just do it again for next week. You can immediately buy another, sell another call option on Monday morning for probably $40. It'll be a lot more money because there's a week to run. You could pocket another $40 and then sell it at $29.50 again, or $30. Maybe you can raise your bar up a little bit if you want to, since it did go up. Depends on how quickly you want to get rid of this. But if you're considering a limit order for just a little bit higher than the price of stock now, that's what most people do. That's what I like to do. I don't set my limit lower unless it's like an emergency and I need to get out. I'm looking to make money on these things. I'm looking to make every penny I can. And if you're doing limit orders to get out of things at slightly higher prices than where they are now, please go look at the call option that you can sell. And instead of doing the sell limit 29.50, do the 29.50, sell that option. It's called sell to open. After you click options, you'll be able to go see the 15-cent offering when you choose sell to open. And it will cause this stock to dump out of your account at 4 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. 4 p.m. is the deadline cutoff. If it's not worth $29.50 at 4 p.m., it stays yours. You pocket the 15, you keep it forever. The good news is on Monday, you get to pocket another $40 to try again for next Friday. So until you get rid of this, you should just be shoving 40 cents a week into your pocket until you get rid of it for your $29.50. If you raise the bar to 30, you'll be putting even less money in your pocket, but you'll pocket the extra dollar. You'll collect more. You'll collect less. You'll probably only get 15 on Monday for the 30.50 or the 30. So you might only put $5 or $10 in your pocket on Monday if you choose to raise the strike price. But if you raise the strike price, you're going to make more money because it's going to go up more. Just depends on how you feel. But if you're making the simple decision to get out right now at $29.50 and there's 2 hours left and you can get 15 cents extra on top of your $29.50, you want to sell a covered call and you should be approved for it. Just go to the ticker symbol, click on options, choose $29.50 call, find out what it sells for, choose sell to open. You'll notice a positive reward in your account for doing so. My options cost 65 cents, so consider that, I guess. If you're only going to get, a buck for it, it's probably not worth doing. But in this case, it's 15 cents or $15 right in your pocket right now, and then it sells at $29.50 by the end of the day. This particular stock is 26 cents, 29.26, so it's just outside the money. Whoever owns this option that I sold is sweating it right now. They're like, God, I hope this thing goes up another 14 cents or I'm screwed. I lose all my option money. Now, me, on the other hand, I don't care either way. Either it's going to sell at $29.50, I'm going to get my money, I'm going to get my profit, or I'm going to get more money on Monday morning because I'm going to sell another option and then make my profit. And the longer this thing hovers underneath the needed dollar amount, I'll just keep on pocketing $40 every single week until I hit my option. Now, if the stock collapses, that's a different story. So if you need to get out now, get out now. But if you're only going to get out if there's a profit, if you're like me, then consider that selling those call options. You better learn what they are. You need to own 100 shares. You need to choose options. Find one that's $29.50, a call option. Sell it to close, and you make that extra money, and you get out at $29.50. So that's how you make 15 extra cents when you sell it for $29.50. Thank you very much. Learn about selling covered calls on your stocks. It's a very useful tool. Helps you get out of things at the last minute with a nice little surplus. And you get to set your limit to the $29.50, just like you're probably doing anyhow with a limit order. So think about the logic, look at the numbers, decide what you want. If you are doing a little limit orders or a little higher than the price is now, which I think a lot of people are, you better take a look at selling one of those options while you're doing it. It might be better than the sell limit order. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hopefully this is helpful. You guys can use this in the future. If you do need to get out of something because there's some kind of dire emergency, you feel like the whole world is crashing around your stock, then yeah, don't do this and don't wait till $29.50. You should probably just get out if you really believe that's happening. But if you believe you just want to make a profit, then yeah, put in the $29.50 call option, sell to open, and you'll be very happy. Either way, if this thing ends up at $29.48, he's a big fat loser, and I get another $40 on Monday morning, and I get to shoot for it again. Maybe he'll come in a loser, and I'll get another $40. Or I might take it up to $30, pocket some more cash, and then get to sell the option again. So the longer it stays under that target price, the happier you are. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please embrace covered calls, selling them, making money from selling these people who like to play the options market. These people are gamblers. It's hard to make money in that business. You got to be really, really good and very, very clairvoyant. And one little rattle could just ruin it. Or a weird market event might make your day. It's a very long shot kind of a game. It's very stressful, especially if you're doing it with large amounts of money. I wouldn't recommend options, but I would recommend being the seller of options, which is just a way for you to shove money in your pocket and guarantee profits on your stock sales. So shove the money and guarantee your profits. Do both. And have a wonderful day. This is James. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. I hope you picked up something useful. You should start looking at option prices, even if you're not interested in trading options, just because you can sell these covered calls to the gambling degenerates that comprise the option market. Now, you might want to learn and expand your knowledge further and be an options trader. I like to do really cheap long shots right before earnings day. If I get the bombshell, earnings report on Monday and it's a train wreck, often I can triple or quadruple my money. That's my personal strategy. I wouldn't recommend getting into that. You lose so much. I mean, you could chop your account down by 10% in one afternoon and just be like, what the hell happened? I mean, you just count on losing on everything. If it goes in the wrong direction just for a second, you can be so far out of the money that you can't even get a dime for your options that you paid for. So, in hindsight, and to wrap up this video, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.